Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be making these jerk chicken Cornish hens, so stay tuned for the recipe. Alrighty, we're going to start off with our already cleaned Cornish hens, which I've cleaned with lemon and vinegar and water as usual. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that oil on the Cornish hens so they don't stick to our pan, as well as it's just going to help our seasoning go ahead and stick to our Cornish hens. I think I said chicken. Anyway, we seasoned with so far some Lowry's and some black pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and put some cayenne pepper. I like my food spicy, guys. You know, on this channel, we like spice, we like garlic. So, you know, this is up to your liking. If you don't want it that hot, then you do not have to add the cayenne. And then I'm going to go ahead there. I added some garlic powder, and then I am now adding some soy sauce, some thyme, and I'm going to add 3 forkfuls there. It's really 3 teaspoons about of jerk seasoning. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons or 2 forkfuls, as you saw there, of minced garlic. All right, I'm not making these overly spicy because that's just not the taste that we're going for. So this is going to definitely be a little milder than like your average jerk chicken would be. So we're just, after mixing that up, going to go ahead and stick that thyme in between there. And we're going to make sure that when we put these in the oven that they are all face down so our breasts aren't dry. And we're going to then cover this up with foil and put it in the oven on 375. And this is going to be baking for 40 minutes. And after that 40 minutes, they're going to look just like this here. Remember, guys, they're Cornish hens, so they're small and don't need a ton of baking time. So I'm just going to go ahead now and flip them over gently because they're very tender, so I don't want them falling apart. And then I am going to remove the thyme from our Cornish hens. And after I remove the thyme, I'm then just going to go ahead and begin putting the sauce on my Cornish hens so that I can begin brushing that sauce over to start on our glaze. So after we've gone ahead and flipped our Cornish hens over, I've added on top my barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet and Spicy to contrast the spiciness of the jerk seasoning that we used. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush this over because it's intended to be a glaze, not a thick layer of barbecue sauce, guys. So after we brush over the sauce, then we're going to go ahead and mix in our sauce in the bottom of the pan from our jerk seasoning our jerk marinade rather, that we began baking our Cornish hens with. And we're going to brush this over the entire Cornish hen just to thin that sauce out some and mix up the flavors. All right, and then we're going to stick this back in the oven for 20 minutes on 375, just as it was before. Now with no foil, this is the look of our jerk barbecue Cornish hens. They are finished, they are tasty, they're tender, it's juicy, like it's going to be bomb, guys, I promise. Go ahead and once more, just baste your Cornish hens. And after that, we're just going to go ahead and get this plated up to serve. Let me know down in the comments how you guys enjoyed this, what you paired yours up with. If you want side suggestions, I paired mine with mac and cheese and plantains. Let me know how it was. As always, thanks for stopping. Bye.